I'm done.
Why sensing dancing? Why? You know, because it's shopping day, guys. Shopping day.
Yeah.
मतलब लोग छुट्टियां लेते हैं ऑफिस से शॉपिंग करने के लिए, हमें ऑफिस वाले भेज रहे हैं शॉपिंग करने के लिए। कैसे बताओ? What is the video?
What could be better than this?
Today, Akanksha and I are going to two of Delhi's most famous shopping spots, Sarojini Nagar and Zara.
Both of us have a 5k rupees का budget and we have to go shop at Sarojini and Zara and see कि कहाँ पे कितने सामान हम खरीद सकते हैं 5,000 रुपए में. And it's a really good day to be us.
But she's gonna tag along with me for Sarojini shopping, and I'm gonna tag along with her for Zara shopping. Well, it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be super fun. I actually haven't been to Sarojini in the longest time. I think
Same.
last I went was in like pre-pandemic college time.
It must have been 3 years for me now
Yeah.
as well. But I really used to enjoy shopping at Sarojini, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's do it now.
Are you ready? Let's go. You better hold me back.
So we are here at our first spot, Delhi's most famous and best known flea market, Sarojini Nagar Market, or SN as we locals like to call it.
Hold me back.
Known for export excess goods which can be purchased at a very low prices.
I want some action.
Sarojini Nagar is a paradise for people who love a good bargain.
You better hold me back.
Crew has given me the money, so guess who's super rich today? We have carried cash because we are smart, so that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, buy a huge bag if you're gonna shop for 5 grand.
Yeah.
And that's what we are gonna do now. Chalo.
See, somebody just hit me. Now we're in Sarojini.
Here we go. Round again.
We have reached Zara. कितने का भैया? भैया
50 का है
कितना?
850.
Tip number 3, never show them you're excited about something. She made a rookie mistake.
Sorry.
दिखा. एक दाम बोलूंगी, देना होगा तो आप दे देना, नहीं तो मना कर देना साफ. 300. मना कर दो साफ.
दियो तो ले लो
पक्का?
What? Oh, sorry.
300 rupees.
He's giving?
Yeah.
Okay. I was totally expecting this to go as per our plan.
कितने की है भैया? 2 बैग दे दो, 200 रुपए दे देती हूँ मैं.
300 रुपए दे देना, खत्म करो बस, अब मत बोलो.
I think he's mad at Akanksha.
I don't believe a word you say, but you keep on talking.
Hi Ashna. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you. Akanksha! Don't leave me. This looks like it's from Anokhi.
This is those fixed price things though. You want that one, no?
I feel like I went back in time and I don't have money and Akanksha is my mom and she's getting me something.
निशान है. Am I spending money too soon? What I've realized is everybody's putting fake Zara tags.
Try not to get hit by the load. Akanksha, you want Jordan?
I was like, हाँ, कितने का दिया ये वाला?
यो, कितने अच्छे टाई डाई टी-शर्ट्स हैं यार. ऊपर वो देखो. Dude, this is the best lane to come shop, okay? चलो चलो.
I cannot believe I have so much energy.
If you want to measure if it fits you, just put this across your neck.
It will not fit
This
me.
won't fit you. You need a bigger one. This is a London brand. They don't even have a store in India. I got my birthday dress from here. What? I'm shook it.
भैया 30-32 साइज में नहीं है कोई.
I didn't know like Pretty Little Things also was available here.
एक बार ये निकालो ना भैया, मेरे को देखना है कितना बड़ा है.
But I feel like this might start coming off after like one wash. भैया, इधर आओ ना.
ये एक चाहिए. I'm gonna get it. Oh no, it's like this. That's why the neck is so big.
थक गई मैं भी अब. Now the excitement has faded.
नहीं. ये कैमरा लेके आए तो ज्यादा दाम बताओगे क्या?
You can't be nice here. You have to push through the crowd. Says the person who's using Akanksha like a human shield.
एक सेकंड मैम.
ये Get it, get it.
ASOS exactly in my size.
Oh, nice. वो अंदर एक और दुकान भी तो होती है.
Nice.
ये गलती से मिला है ना, इन्हें भी नहीं पता थी ये जगह.
इनके पास से कुशन लेके गई हूँ मैं
भी
50 रुपीज 100 रुपीज.
I think somebody was trying to steal my mic. I felt something. This looks nice.
या 250 में दे दो भैया.
250 तो बहुत कम हो गया मैडम, सही सही बोलो.
He's saying 600 मैडम. ये रख लीजिए भैया.
लाओ दो चलो.
जब पहले ही क्यों नहीं मान जाते हो? मैंने बोला था ना कि आप एक बार में मना कर
तो
देना.
आप 50 बोले तभी तो बात बन पाई.
We are running out of space it seems.
Bro, I have like 5 grand to spend at Zara. I can tell you that I'll probably just get like 2 things or one really nice thing. मुझे ये पापड़ खाना है. मुझे ये पापड़ खाना है. चलो देखते हैं.
We're gonna buy slippers. I really like this.
650.
क्या 650? कम भी कितना कराएंगे जिससे दाम बोल रहे हैं. 300 ले लूं?
Flat price. It works every time.
पर अब रखेंगे ना, इसमें भी जगह नहीं है.
I'll just hold it because I'm so tired now.
350.
ठीक है भैया, थैंक यू. रहने दो. Sarojini is known for these Indian wear shops as well, where you get like really cheap stuff. So I bought this shrug, like this beaded shrug. So I'm looking for a sari that goes with this, you know, because on the fly I got this idea. I'm just gonna look like fashion influencers.
Dude, funnily enough, the first thing we bought was from Zara at Sarojini. But I saw so many clothes with like fake Zara tags.
Monday Sarojini is closed. I know for a fact कि अगर तुम early morning आओगे weekdays में, you'll get shops are just opening, you'll get cheaper stuff.
Winter, you can't even imagine coming in summer, but winter is appropriate. It's the perfect time. Pro tips.
So yeah, now we're going to the actual Zara.
उसमें ज़्यादा shoot भी नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि permission नहीं है हमारे पास.
Ciao, see you guys at Zara.
Peace.
Zara is the world's largest apparel retailer. They make runway trends accessible for everyday consumers. There are 3 Zara stores in Delhi, and today we have come to the one located in Select City Mall, Saket.
I swear I bought the same jacket from Sarojini. Same Zara jacket.
This is not how Zara was before. They recently renovated it and it's looking like I'm in Paris. This is let alone on my full budget. I kind of like it, but definitely not. I'm not going to spend all of my money on one thing. Did you know that the triangle means that you have to size down because these things run a little smaller. So you have to size up actually.
मैंने तो फैशन पढ़ा है, लोन लेके मुझे नहीं बताया, पैसा भरवा दोगे मेरे.
इसका मतलब अगर मैं नॉर्मली एक्सेस हूँ तो मैं एस लूँगी. Dude, this jacket I've been waiting for a while. Just 590 bucks more than my budget.
600 is over budget. We can't do that.
My only complaint is 5,000 rupees is not enough. Okay, the dilemma is I kind of really like this top, but I also really like this skirt.
She's gonna look like a parrot soon.
Tip number 1 to shop at Zara, just get money.
Bygones era.
I look like Celine Dion in this. I look like Celine Dion. Okay, I'm gonna go try something, okay? I finally picked out some things that I really like, and the only problem is I like way too many things.
even 5,000 is not enough budget to shop in Zara. So here are some things that I'm gonna try and I'll show you. I think it doesn't look that great so much, but I don't hate it either. You guys tell me. Oh my god. I feel like the real color of this top bodysuit cannot be seen on the camera. It's more like purple than blue indigo. It's hard to explain, but I'm in love with how these shoulders look.
Like meh.
Our budget is meh.
Okay, so this is my bill and 470 is the total. 200 रुपए का मैं क्या ही लेती. And this is my big bag of clothes.
Wow, look at
My shopping.
man. I'm so dead.
I think the best part of shopping is going home and reviewing what you've shopped, you know, and seeing if it fits you, if it looks nice or not.
Sarojini Essential is like every shopping bag will have this at
Pani
least.
pani ka bottle, yes.
Do you want to start? Because मेरा तो लंबा
I
चलेगा.
think it only makes sense for me to start. I though am in love with my outfit that I got. मैंने अच्छे से fold करके भी रखा.
ये 5,000 on your table here, guys.
Technically, I didn't spend 5,000. I spent 4,700 something. Okay, I'm gonna remember that because you guys didn't let me shop over the budget. But I definitely think it's worth it. So I feel like I can get my money's worth if I can like make more outfits with it. Like I'll probably wear it with a shirt or you know like an overcoat or like a sweatshirt.
Even this is a very nice
This
like
is actually
nights out top.
Night,
like
yeah, it looks like it
very dressy. It is a very
kind of
dressy
looks
top.
like designer. Imagine this with like a sequin pants,
A sequin
or
mini skirt.
or a mini skirt. So you can really style this particular top in a lot of ways. So I think it's my money's worth. And
it's the office's money worth.
Yeah, it's the office's money worth, and definitely feels like it's good quality. Like I know it's not gonna go bad if I wear it like 10 times. Okay, so the whole point of this video was to see who can buy more stuff. And I could have gotten more stuff if I went for slightly like basic stuff, you know, like t-shirts or just plain shirts.
But we don't do basic.
I wouldn't love it as much as I love this. Either you can get like 5 plain t-shirts, you know, or you could get like one really nice outfit.
Yeah.
So decide. I made my decision.
Pretty vibrant decision. Shall I start?
That's Pandora's box. It feels like
I didn't get that effect that I wanted.
it feels like spring is here.
I
Can
love
you-
the flowers on
Dude,
this.
I think you can wear like this with like a skirt.
I also go for like acid tops, really vibrant ones, and then pants like basic types ke pants. But you know what I have realized I'm
Oh my
doing?
God.
These pants that I really loved might not fit me. Look at the Zara fake tag.
Oh, look
Zara
at
basic.
this is what we were talking about. That Zara ka tag is like this. But because everybody knows कि Zara के कपड़े का trend है, they're fashionable, so उन्हें
They have
अपना ही
started
tag
putting a
बना
lot
लिया
of
है.
fake tags.
ऐसा okay.
I think this will fit you as well.
If
or
you
नहीं
want
आएगा?
tweed skirts, then you should definitely go to Sarojini, because वहाँ पे इतने सारे options है, इतने सारे options
They
है.
had all kinds of tweed, na?
Yeah.
Next piece is something that Tenzing loved.
Oh yeah, this was gorgeous. This is a little like, you know, like कारीगरी का काम हो रखा है एकदम.
I have a feeling this might bleed though after washing.
Also, this is a good time to check if there are stains or any holes in the clothes that you've bought from Sarojini. Because वहाँ पे इतने excitement में you're like,
देखते नहीं हो.
you're like 300 I'll get it.
ये देखो मुझे ये जेब में क्या छेद हुए थे क्या ये क्या है? Yeah, the jab is completely cut off.
तो पहले नहीं लेने होते. That are we going to?
दूसरे साइड कम से कम सिलाई तो है. I really like
You
this
loved
stuff.
this one.
And ऐसे बहुत सारे styles थे वहाँ पे. Later I realized the whole Sarojini was filled with such styles. The only problem is it has a stain.
This says Zara man.
काफी like inclusive हो गया Zara नहीं?
I swear. ये अच्छा
This
है. ये I think
Tenzing
a
light.
character है मेरे.
And this I bought for myself. I just love the color. We found the exact same.
Oh my god. It was the same collection.
Yeah. See, पर इसमें पता है पहना हुआ है. Look at this.
भूए निकले हुए हैं यार.
I'll show you the whole look now. Wait.
Hey, this looks nice. नहीं हाँ ठीक है. This also looks nice. It's not good for your eyes. Only one bag is done.
Yeah.
Also, this bag is also something we bought there.
Love this shrug because sequin था और मैंने बहुत influencer Indian wear look सोच रही थी इसके साथ. उसी टाइम देख लिया था मैंने. अभी भी ना इस पे जो कारीगर ने निशान लगाए होंगे for the embroidery still there. पर और इधर सीम के पास गायब भी है.
और कुछ जगह उन्होंने complete नहीं करा है.
बहुत सारी to go with it.
And you will not believe for how much.
This saree
I
is
mean,
for
I couldn't believe it.
$350 guys. So इसके साथ ये पहनेंगे. I'll style it better, but you get the look, right?
Dude, I love it.
Look at him. Look at them.
They feel pretty soft
Yeah.
and warm also.
High five. This, yeah,
This
I
one
forgot
was
about
also
this.
nice, yeah.
And this will fit me for a change.
इस पे भी थोड़ा सा दाग लगा हुआ है.
हाँ वो तो हमने तभी देख लिया था ना, but it's too late. I had already paid.
ये ना सरोजनी के इतने सारे टॉप्स हैं, ऐसे मैंने बहुत सारे देखे हुए हैं. This dress is so nice. This is so nice. I think it'll fit you also really well. And hey, it has cups also.
Yeah.
Amazing. Clothes in which you don't have to wear a bra. They already give you a bra. It's the best. It's
This
okay.
I hope fits. This I hope fits.
This is a jumpsuit which I'm not a huge fan of, but Akanksha really likes.
इसमें कुछ दाग वांग निकल गया ना, मजा आ जाएगा अभी. And look at the lace here. So yeah, I feel like I've been talking for like last 2 hours about these clothes.
Hey, why didn't you show them the chokers you got?
Oh, yeah, what happened to the chokers, buddy? Shrug वाले look के साथ ना, this will go really nice. Or that.
Wait, let's count the number of things you've bought. $26.
Including the bags, I bought 26 things.
ये free का bag. The biggest difference of shopping at Sarojini versus Zara was the number of things that you're going to buy and the quality.
It's not like I went to Zara hoping to get a 300
Hoping
rupees
to
ka
shop
top.
for like exactly
Yeah.
a bag full of stuff, you know, from Zara in 5,000 bucks. She knew. And likewise, like when we went to Sarojini, we knew that we were going to get a lot of things, but we also knew that may they not be of like a certain standard.
अगर टाइम नहीं तुम्हारे पास, Zara all the way, buy it, styled and
कुछ
everything.
सोचना भी नहीं है, वहाँ ऑलरेडी स्टाइल करके रख देते हैं, वो आउटफिट टॉप टू बॉटम क्यूरेट करके रख देते
But
हैं.
if you want to have fun with your outfits, Sarojini is
Then
like
you
great
really,
place
yeah.
to like buy some quirky pieces and like mix and match.
Like I got this thing which I really liked, and honestly हमने पूरा सरोजनी देखा. I don't think I saw anything like this over there. So if I got this, maybe I could look for different tops to wear with this in Sarojini.
Back to school look, Baji.
This one would also look so cute. You could pair
So
it with
cute.
this. So it's hard to really, it's really hard to decide whether, you know, Sarojini justified the, you know, 5,000 we spent or Zara. It really, you know, matters what you went there looking for.
It was worth it at both places.
I also agree. I fully agree with that.
So why don't you guys comment down below and tell us which shopping experience do you prefer and like better, and comment करके बताओ if you want to see us trying these clothes in the next video.
Hey guys, if you liked our video and if you liked our shopping,
Ma'am, Gucci का skirt.
then don't forget to like this video,
Ma'am.
comment down below and
Versace
subscribe to
का top.
Okay Dusty.
आपके लिए बस
प्लीज उनको हमारा ऐप बेच दो.
ये
उनको बोलो हमारे ऐप डाउनलोड करें. मैं जा रही हूँ भैया.
अच्छा ठीक है, आप 50 रुपए रख लो यार मैम.